retirement doesn't mean what it looks like. The word has no etymological connection to being tired again. This common misconception stems from a false visual association between two completely unrelated linguistic groups. Retirement comes from the French retirer, re plus tirer, meaning to draw back or withdraw. Originally used in military contexts before evolving to describe leaving one's occupation. It could also mean an individual withdrawing to places of privacy. Tired, on the other hand, derives from Old English teorian, meaning to fall, cease, become weary, with roots in Proto-Germanic language families. The confusion is understandable given the visual similarity and semantic connection between ending work and fatigue. But linguistically, these words developed from entirely separate language families and historic contexts. The French root tirer, to draw or pull, has no relationship to the Germanic root that gave us tired or to become weary. This etymological clarification reveals how our modern assumptions about word meanings can lead us astray from their actual historical development. Maybe you are tired some days in retirement, but the word itself simply means to withdraw. That's what I did 3 months ago. Withdrew to privacy. Even though I make public YouTube videos because, well, that's just fun and therapeutic. It was like buying a huge chunk of freedom. Since then, I've taken Bible studies, self-care, cleaning, and market watch hobbies up a notch. Maybe one day I'll unretire, whatever that means. But there'd need to be a very compelling reason. If your day looks something like retirement, maybe we should be friends if we're into the same stuff.